Good morning, my friend. Today I want to tell you a story. It is about Monday. And Mondays are always a little crazy. I woke up at 6 o'clock. But I didn't get up. My blanket was warm. My bed was soft. And my brain whispered, just 5 more minutes. 5 minutes became 10. 10 became 20. Suddenly, I opened my eyes. It was 6:45. I jumped out of bed. I shouted, "Oh no!" I brushed my teeth like lightning. I washed my face in 2 seconds. I put on my t-shirt backwards. Changed it. Then I grabbed 2 shoes, different colors. Did I care?
No.
Fashion can wait. I ran to the kitchen. Breakfast? Forget it. The fridge looked at me. I looked back. But no time for food. I had to run. At the bus stop, I saw the bus leaving. I shouted, "Wait. Please wait." The driver looked at me and drove away. Typical Monday. So I walked. Fast at first. Then faster. Then almost running. My shoes went slap, slap, slap. People stared at me. Maybe they thought I was training for a race.
But no.
I was just late for class. And then, of course, it started raining. Not a little rain. A lot. Heavy rain. Crazy rain. The kind of rain that makes you feel like you are standing under a shower. I searched my bag. Did I have an umbrella?
No.
Of course not.
Why?
Because I never check. I should have checked before leaving. Soon I was soaked. My hair was wet.
My shirt was wet.
My socks were wet.
Even my soul felt wet.
I saw people with umbrellas. They looked safe, dry, comfortable. I looked like a wet cat. Sad, cold, embarrassed. Finally, I reached the school. Guess what? The classroom door was locked. Class had already started. I knocked softly. No answer. I knocked louder. Still no answer. So I stood there, dripping water everywhere. Then my phone buzzed. It was a message from my friend. "Hey, where are you? Class is online today." I froze. I stared at my phone. I stared at the closed door. I stared at my wet shoes. All this running, all this rain, and I didn't even need to come. At that moment, I didn't know if I should laugh or cry. So I did both. I laughed so hard that people passing by stared at me. Maybe they thought I was crazy. And maybe I was. I walked home slowly. No rush anymore. I was already late. And class was on Zoom. When I opened my laptop, my classmates saw me on camera. My hair was messy.
My shirt was wet.
I looked like a disaster. One classmate asked, "Did you fight with the rain?" I said, "Yes." And the rain won. But deep inside, I felt okay. Because now I had a funny story.
A story to tell you.
So, lesson of the day. Wake up earlier. Check your messages. And never, never forget your umbrella. Especially on Monday. Because Monday is always crazy.